chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Maing buntag, maing udto, maing hapon, maing gabi tanan na. So, kuan meron mga on sa amin. Ana. Hello, say hi.
Box sa camera?
Parang lucky si Ana. Wow. So, today is April 27. And it's the King's birthday. So, maki-celebrate may sa birthday sa King diri sa Netherlands. How old is the King now, Dodong?
I think 55.
55? Did you check?
No, I think 55.
So, muadto mi og kanang dako nga market sa syudad. Nagluto si Ruth og pancit canton. So, Ruth is the only one not wearing orange today. We're supposed to wear orange. Unya, ipakita na ko ninyo kanang every King's Day, or we call it Koningsdag in the Netherlands. So, mag-orange tanan ang mga tao. Oranya. Muni ang... Is it the national color in the Netherlands? Okay.
It's not in the flag, but it's kind of national, yeah.
Si Rotra. Si Rotra ang wala nag-orange na mo. Yung ko niya mag-orange siya. Gusto niya, magkuhaan siya sa iyang orange katong karaan na kayo way laba. So, nalingkamot akong anak ko.
We have things for in there.
Lingka, books.
Books, mama?
Books, paning... Nanimaho ni Pancit Canton. She's gonna smell Pancit Canton when we go to the city.
That's why I said that we need to do something
No,
on it.
hands.
Oh, ja, zie ik hem was, hè.
See? That's what I'm talking about. She naturally just
She's a
wipes on
toddler
her
one. They
clothes.
always smell like something.
Taas na sa kuko. Paragi termina lang taas o kuko ning bataan ni. Yeah. Mama still has noodles, Anna. You guys... It's not soup! Uy! So, magpugong pa si Anna. Ako, mag-lipstick pa pod ko. At 10 o'clock, so mga 20 minutes, maabot na ang amigo ni Roto. Si Apo. You want Mama's noodles, Anna? Yeah. Ne? Bantay, mangawat ka.
We need to buy some bread tomorrow, Bob.
Yeah. Maybe later at Windsor.
Yeah, maybe.
You can get some. Why wait for tomorrow when you can do it today?
I don't know if they sell it there, Bob.
Unsa pa?
I don't know if they sell it there.
Yeah, maybe. You think it's like just like a second-hand stuff bomb, or just
I think
random?
so. Many children and adults, they sell, I think, second-hand things. I think so.
Okay. So, daghan pa kayo mi og pancit canton kay naay si Ruth nung last time nag-order siya og mga usa ka box. Laim sa kaigot doon dahil mo dayon no. Ginahinay na namo ba? Di mi pa may mga og pancit canton pero naami daghang stock dito. If you order pancit canton online and it's sold out, there's only one person to blame. Because you already ordered everything.
Only 550 or something.
Tiga dyan. Duha ka box, gamay o dako. 2 boxes. So, mga on sa aming indaanan, no? Munya natin kapag ganing kumani mo ka. Kamot, yun! Was that a fart, Anna? I think you farted again, Dudong. That was a big fart. Niya anak ko tarong on. Ina pa. Ko papa. Uy, paghinay ani ha kay kanang taagaas man guni matuk-an ka ba? Kana. Yeah. Why did Papa give you so big like a big bowl? Where's your bowl, di ay? Slow down. Bi ang muta ay ang muta. Bi ang muta papa. Bi ang muta bi. Bi muta bi, look at mama. Okay, gisipon pag yun. Naunsa naman ni ay. Buang.
Yeah.
When she ran out of noodles, she was doing this.
No, she's looking by you. How much is in it?
Mungutan lang si Ruth if chika na ba daw ko nga. Mungkin na sila. Taran i-chika.
Mama, papa heeft geen noodles. Papa no noodles.
Nag-ilis na mi og stroller ni Ana. Ako ka ng buggy ba? Lighter. Lightweight na. Mas lightweight na siya.
Woo, noodles. Anna, joe.
Expensive week last week. No?
Ja, car fixed.
Ang sakyanan, gipaayo. Nagpalit mi og bagong buggy ni Ana. But my fix, ja, opa.
Ja, dat was only a bit. But the car was...
Yeah. So gamito na
And
mo.
before we go to the ATM, so we have cash. I think most of the people only accept cash.
Yeah, I only have... Oh, but there's a little bit of cash from the lumpia money. Oh, not anymore the idodong oil because we deposited it.
That's our one.
What?
The one we normally save.
There's $20, but I put it in the envelope for Ruth on his birthday. I didn't have €10. I just put it in.
You put 20 in?
Yeah. If Ruth was a kid, I would give 10 only. The na.
Yeah, the mama's complaining we don't have money anymore.
I only have €10, boy.
Now we just go
Cash.
to the ATM. That's almost less from the couple. Less than a month you always do.
Yeah, but they will pay me Sutiki, not cash.
Yeah.
Opa?
Don't do it too much, yeah?
Nee.
Only once.
Only because they're not there when I go.
Only once, yeah. Hey!
Si Buang?
Ja.
Uy!
Oeh, lekker Anna.
But they should not be too long, otherwise she chokes.
Ja.
I will not withdraw Dodong oil because when we go to the Asian supermarket, then I will pay in...
Pas.
Yeah.
Ja, but on the market itself, if you need to buy something.
Yeah. Drink na, baby. Prost, mama. Prost. Cheers, mama. Cheers. Cheers. Ooh. 2 hands, please. 2 hands. Food's lekker. May mga flowers. Orchid ito. Yung tulips bigay ng aking father-in-law. Flag si Ana o sa iyang naw. Ako pod na ano sa ko. Daray. Si Apple pod na. Let's go, Ana! Let's go! Mataga ka. Uy, mataga ka. Let's go now. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Bye-bye. Doy-doy. Doy. Yeah, nice. Why don't you have yours, Dean? Yeah, Ruth said he will, but when we get there. So, adto nami, no? Lakaw nami. Asa namin yung duha, eh. So, maana to mga higala? Wala pa de. Saba kayo bata. Sige siya singgit kaya ang tawgon ang amigo sa iyang papa ba si Dennis. O lagi wait for papa lang. Naanami sa syudad, abot nami. So, makita na lamig kaparkingan, no? KFC kami. Ano? Now it's gonna be messy.
You think so?
Yeah, for sure. See?
Denk je dat een beetje troep wordt zo of niet?
Auw. Apple. How, how's your first Koningsdag? Is it?
It's not the first
It's
one.
not the first one?
No.
Nee? Oh, okay.
She went to Amsterdam before King's Day.
Yeah?
You're too tired, saying how we're walking.
You walked a bit then, hè?
Gawas may balik. Pangbata man ang display kayo. So, gawas may balik. Kain may salot yan. Kasi si Chang! Saigon Cape. Agad ko niya, ano ko niya si Chawa. Siya agad na po ang tibura. Pero ang iyang wrap kay murag muyong. Baga kayo. Ulamin kayo.
A few moments later.
Ano? So, nag-order pa si Rose. Naon binaan kay gutom na si Ana. Ana? And also, gisabi ko, Ana, sapot na. And gutom na. So, uli na sa nilang taon-taon. Muli na mi kay si Ana, kapoy na. It's your birthday message for the king.
For the king.
Oh.
Keep drinking. King.
Does he drink a lot?
I told you, I saw him once
Yeah,
on
what?
the airport in the
Yeah?
shop. Yeah, he was doing. I had a long layover with my, yeah, it was a long time ago. He was prince then, he was not king yet. And then we had a long layover
Where were you then?
in Schiphol,
Ano, Mara? Going to Asia or what?
to Turkey.
Okay.
That's like, yeah, that was 18 years ago. But I saw him, I realized he was standing before me.
And then?
Yeah, he was ordering something with pictures. There were a lot of security around him.
You didn't say hi?
I think maybe. And Opa met him, he shook his hand.
Yeah, I saw the picture. Kasi, kuan man good. Retired nga Air Force iyang papa ni Ruth. Yan, nasa lay picture nga. Bisita ang king ba. Naglamano sila. Char. Manguli na mino, kay matulog na among inday. Mga alauna na manggod sa hapon. So, mga tulog na mi. Try siguro ko tulog po or pahuway. Gamay nga butang. Okay. Hold it properly bangga. Hold properly. Okay. So, muna magbaon na lang po ko og kanang before, tagaan ako siya og phone para di siya masisyagit. Mo relax naman po siya. Di mo po permino. So, tagaan ako siya sa iyang tablet para tanaw siya, para relax pa, para dili may ma-stress sa gawas. Muna siya. Di ko fan og screen time na, pero pagsugod nga, nakarealize ko nga si Ana sa puton og maayo, basta naami sa gawas, ma-stress siguro siya. Muna, tagaan na mo siya og tablet para mamugaway ming tanan. Yeah, I said I was not really a big fan of screen time, but then
but
when we realized that Anna...
I'm a little bit, sometimes a little bit, I say it old-fashioned. So, yeah, that's, but yeah, it's...
Yeah, but then when we're outside, then you can relate kung mama ka or papa.
Well, you can put this one...
Yeah, so tagana mo siya ng iyang tablet para ma-divert ang iyang atensyon sa iyang sapot. So, yeah, ma-relax siya. So, mao na. Huli na lang dali-dali basta mga inang orasa para matug na siya ba. Pahuway siya. Para happy baby siya ini human sa iyang nap. Mauna. So, nauli na mi. Natulog na si Ana. Chill-chill sa mi kay karon taod-taod kapoy na pud kay mata sa bata. Kigduwa sa mama ra gyud mo dool basta sa puto na mama ra gyud tanan. So, huway sa tagamay. Kapoy ay init kayo. Nagduwa si Ruth og FIFA. Ano nakadagit og duwaan ganina og